In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image clickable in Squarespace. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out with your personal site, making an image clickable can significantly enhance your user experience, helping you direct visitors effectively to the desired content. It's an easy process, perfect for turning an ordinary image into a gateway to another part of your site, or even to an external page. First, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace website editor. For those who are new to Squarespace, this is the central hub where you can modify your site's layout, style, and content. Access this by logging into your Squarespace account and heading to the Page tabs. The editor interface is your canvas, designed to give you the flexibility and control you need over your site's appearance. Once you're in the editor, locate the image you wish to make clickable. Simply click on the image and you'll notice a small toolbar appearing above or below it. This toolbar is your friend here. Look for the option that says Edit. Clicking on this opens a new menu that allows you to modify the image's properties and functions. In the editing options, find the section labeled Link, or simply look for a space where you can insert a URL. This is where the magic happens. Enter the URL you want your image to direct to when clicked. You can link it to another page within your site, like the Contact Us page, or it can lead to an external site, such as your social media handles or an affiliate product page. Be sure to double-check the URL for any misspelling or errors, as small mistakes here could lead to broken links or unexpected behavior on your site. After entering the URL, the final step is to save your changes. Saving ensures that your new clickable image link is live and functional. Typically, there's a Save button or an icon that resembles a forward arrow or check mark within the editing menu. Click on it. Keep in mind that Squarespace might prompt you to publish these changes before they reflect on the live site. If prompted, confirm the action to ensure your updates are visible to all visitors. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step method to make images on your Squarespace site clickable, lending a professional touch to your web pages. Remember, clickable images can enhance navigation and potentially boost user engagement, so don't hesitate to utilize this feature to its fullest. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!